Hey, welcome back guys, another DIY here. Today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your outdoor lights. One of these here. It's actually a 16-year-old light we're going to replace with a more modern light. First of all, you want to make sure when you do go out purchase your light fixture that they have the same back panel fixture. If you don't, you're going to have to modify this here or get some cover if there's too wide or too short. Okay? So you want to do is you want to make sure you turn off all the power before you do it. Turn off to the breaker here, and then you want to take these bolts off. Meter tester here, electrical meter tester to make sure there's no power going through. So there is no power going through. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. You got your ground wire here, live wire, your neutral, red with black, green is your ground, and white with white. Pretty simple to install, guys. Not that hard. Once you know how to change it, you can pretty much change anything, light bulbs, fixtures. Okay, let me clean this out a little bit. Look at this. Ah. So you see how this has same fixture goes right on just like that. That's what you want to make sure you have. Again, some of these, if you buy light fixtures, they're actually thinner. Like some of these actually come with the style of modern light actually come with brackets, so they're not going to fit in there. So you want to make sure they do fit in there. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this up a little bit, and then we're gonna take this off first. This whole bracket right here, it's gonna come right off. You guys can see this whole piece. Unbutton those and put the bracket on first, and then you slide this light on, and then just tighten up that bolt. So you're just loosen these up here on the side here, all four of them. Yeah. And then you take the bracket out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that here. And you see how this bracket comes off, see that? Okay. And you start that bracket on here. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, then you wire it. You're gonna have to cut this up a little bit to loosen up all three wires. And it's even labeled for you here. You got your neutral, and your ground. This is your ground. And then your low, okay? So here you see these bolts. You're actually gonna go through here and hook it up, slide in just like that to that bracket. But the thing, you see that? You either can cut this off if you want, or in my case, we're gonna go ahead and rotate this, and we're just gonna screw this all the way back here, guys. So it'll be shorter. Let's go about that much here. You do on both sides. Now we're gonna tighten it up. These lights, they did come with extra cement bolts. If you need to bolt them down to secure them, they did come with cement bolts. In this case, we're not gonna use that. I think it's pretty secure. So next I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and prep these wires so that you can connect them a lot easier with the wire connectors. The copper wires, about 1/2 inch, I stripped them. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and wire these wires. I got them stripped about 1/2 inch long to make it easy so they can wire with these connectors. Now we're gonna do the ground first. Can you see the ground symbol? Straight line going down with 3 lines. And that's the ground. I'm gonna use my electrical pen meter again to check if there is any current. There is no current. Okay, let's tuck it in a little bit. Hide it in. Okay. And then it just goes on like that. Yeah.
Working on the side.
Okay, and then that's it.
Put the screw it on.
Yeah.
Here, I'll hold on
You
to
want to
it.
hold on to it? pretty bright, as you can see. And this is the old style light. Does add modern look to your house here. Got it pretty straight. Just gotta have it lined up a little bit on the side here. It's kind of, you can see it's kind of angled this way, but that's easy fix. I can put like a cushion at the bottom, pull it out, but you can see it's got a little reflection off the stone. Put a little cushion here, or you can use the stone bolts to anchor it in. Do like it, very nice. Now this one I'm gonna order a longer one, a 39-inch, so that kind of in the middle you have a long one, stands out a little bit more. Here's the side look of it. You can kind of see the LED lights are just on the side, so they're actually not underneath. But this acrylic gives that reflection. Nice.